Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the handle and any related names. That narrows searches. Once done, open Instagram on desktop to access extra UI elements and view metadata. Make sure you're logged in because some contact fields show only to followers. Next, inspect the profile for a contact button or email in the bio. If visible, note it. Simultaneously prepare to run a username search across other platforms to triangulate a phone number source. Now perform a systematic cross-check. Inspect the bio, linked website, and story highlights for explicit phone links or call-to-action buttons. If none appear, copy the username and search it on Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, and People Finder services. Many users reuse numbers or list them elsewhere. Once you find candidate numbers, run reverse image searches on profile photos and check mutual followers to confirm the account owner. This reduces false matches and helps validate the discovered contact. Finish by verifying any found number before using it. Call or text from a neutral line and request a specific personal detail that only the account owner would know. If direct verification fails, message mutual followers or use the linked website's contact form to request confirmation. If the account is private or blocked, document your steps and consider a reputable paid people search service as a last resort. Make sure to respect privacy laws and platform rules throughout. That protects you and avoids misuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.